I think it's just a commercial. Hey, are you sitting? Can you sit up? No, you want those snacks. Can he have a goldfish, Wyatt?
Oh, sure.
Let me see.
You're almost gone.
Okay, you want it? You have to sit. You have to sit. Do we have a sitter? Who's sitting like a big boy? How's your snack? Oh, good job. Hi. Who is so big? Who is so big? Good job sitting, Clay. Oh, he's going for your snacks, buddy.